So I started on this journey with LinkedIn Heroes 8 months ago, and I've been interviewing entrepreneurs on a weekly basis and posting it on LinkedIn. I haven't actually shared with anyone the story behind why I decided to start doing this, and so it's an interesting one because I posted on LinkedIn about how I'm sick and tired of seeing all this negative content being posted all the time. And it was one of the most engaged posts I'd ever done. A lot of people jumped behind it and said, yeah, I'm sick of seeing all that rubbish as well. And then this guy sent me a private message and he said, yeah, Nathaniel, it's all very well you posting like about, people posting negative content, but what are you actually doing about it? And I thought, what a prick. and then I slept on it and I was like, do you know what? I was lying there in bed the next morning and I thought, the guy's got a point. He's right. What am I actually doing about it? And so I thought, this is a way that I can create some positive content for people that are looking for a bit of motivation, inspiration, and to hear some stories from entrepreneurs that have done something meaningful with a career, not necessarily just been successful and, making lots of money and all that sort of stuff, but done something that's impactful.